Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Singh and I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have completed my BSc from Ranchi University. After that, I want to switch my career in IT domain. Then one day from LinkedIn, I got to know about eVision Technosoft 45 days training program. So I contacted the concerned person and I enrolled myself in the 45 days training program. And after successful completion of 45 days training and internship, I cracked the interviews in well-reputed organization. And in eVision, I learned a lot of things like Windows administrations, Windows installation, Windows client operating system, virtualization, ITIL, CCNA, and many more things. Also, I have a hands-on experiences on basic troubleshooting in Outlook, Excel, or Teams as well. So these are the things which I have learned here. Their guidance and support helped me a lot to crack my interviews, and I'm very happy to announce that I got selected in Sysnet Global Technologies with 2.8 LPA, and I'm very happy to choose eVision at right time. Whole eVision team is very supportive in this 45 days training program. If you are looking for a job or start your career in IT, so please just go and enroll yourself, as they are very supportive and you definitely get the opportunity and got the job. Thanks again to the whole eVision team. Thank you so much.